everyone, back again. So for today, I'm going to start looking at the loom for the goggomobil. Now what I've got is this rather large, look at that, piece of vinyl that my good friend John gave me. So I'm going to mark it out on that. Now I started on the table, as you can see. Problem is, it's just a fraction small, so I'm going to lay it out onto the floor, at least mark it up square, and then maybe put it back on the table. But got the heater going because it's cold. So yes, that's today's task. I'll get stuck into that, and we'll see how it all goes. Right, well, after a lot of measuring of the chassis and transferring it to the vinyl and faffing about a lot, I think it's done. So we'll give you a tour. So, at the front, and we've got the tunnel, come to the rear bulkhead, suspension brackets. This is the rear wheel arches. We come right to the end, and we've got the engine supports and the full car width of the fiberglass. So that should be it. So on this now, I can start working out like where the headlights are, the tail lights are, where the engine electrics are, such as the regulator and things like that. And so I can start building up a picture of where all the parts go. So that's the next stage. So I think what I'll do next, I'll probably just put the one of the engine plates on the back here, the one with the battery and everything on it, and use it as a template to mark out how that fits. And that'll be a test to see if I actually got this all right. So fingers crossed. Anyway, yeah, that was today's exercise. It took a while, but I'm pretty happy with the result, and I reckon it'll work all right. Time will tell.